People who are very sick don't dare to do this, guys. I don't know who is doing this, but spread the information. Now I'm in front of Tirumala Nayak Mahal, which is one of the most underrated tourist place in the Tamil Nadu. It is around 2.5 kilometers from Madurai temple. This mahal was built by Tirumala Nayak in 17th century. So let's get in and see what's there inside. Why it's so underrated. I forgot to tell something, like it's 70 rupees from Madurai Meenakshi temple to the Nayak Tirumala Nayakar Mahal in an auto rickshaw. If you are taking a shared rickshaw, it will be around 20 bucks. That's it. So not more than that. They might ask 100, 150, 200. Just ignore them. So now we are in the front of the Mahal, and it's for Indian national. It's around 10 rupees, and foreign nationals it is always 50 rupees. And if you are taking a camera with you, you need to pay 30 rupees extra. As we move forward from the entrance, we can see that huge hall, which is surrounded by massive columns of pillars. You can see the people and the column size, just to keep in mind how big it is. Remember, guys, this was built 400 years ago, not a year ago, not 4 years ago. It was built 400 years ago. As we move forward, I can see that the more architecture marvel is visible now. The columns, on the top of columns, the arch are decorated, and needless to say, it is well maintained at a first glance. Watch those arches, guys. Above that, you can see that beautiful sculptured. How beautiful it is, right? And think it's built around 400 years back, not at present. Wow, it's so beautiful to see the artifacts of so long, and we are blessed to have this heritage in front of us. And one more interesting fact of this palace is that it was 4 times bigger than the present palace. Just remember it, guys. Just imagine in your mind. It's so massive at present, and it was 4 times bigger than this. Oh my god, I can't. It's tough to imagine how big it was initially when it was built in 17th
also see
century.
that
There are a lot of chairs lined up in the hall. I think there might be some functions held in this hall, so that there is. You can see the dome. It's very massive. It's very massive. You can see that it's so big. I'll show you now. It's very big. You can see the Raja. This is for the king's throne. Above his is a big, massive dome. You can see how beautiful this dome is decorated. Wow, loving it. And it's a huge dome over here, and you can see here backside here the Raja was sitting in olden days. It's a big dome, and it's very massive, guys, and you can see all those surrounding me. There's not much people around here, but still it's a very good structure, very old structure, and needless to say, very nicely maintained. I think everyone should come here and experience this. It's very beautiful. Very nice. We came here in the morning and the wrong time, like it's around 10 o'clock now, but you can see here, I see the bird. You can see that at 6:45 you have got light and sound show. I think it will be very colorful seeing the photos. It is very beautiful, guys. So 6:45 to 7:35, and adult fee is 50 rupees, children is 25 and students 25. I think this is the time you have to come here for Tirumalai um, Nayak Palace. Sanctuary. Knows it what is. I don't know, some people are sick. You can see that people have written something else on the walls. You can see it's everywhere. Please don't do this, guys. See, it's not good. It's not good. It's a rich heritage. We are proud of Tamil culture, and you guys doing all this nonsense means it's not good always. Please educate, share this video to everyone so that no one will do this again. So you got rich Tamil culture over here, and you are doing all this nonsense, writing on the walls. See, it looks very awkward. It's everywhere. It's everywhere over here in the walls. Please don't do this, guys. It's everywhere. It was very good tour, but the sick thing which is written on the walls and all, it made me very sad. And yeah, it is a history, guys, to know the Tamil culture and how long like it was there before and all. It was in 10th century, and it feels very proud I love this Tamil culture, and they have got everything written, script, the chola, everything. They have got in the museum, but it is not well maintained. People who are very sick don't dare to do this, guys. I don't know who is doing this, but spread the information, share these videos, hatch as much as possible, so that each and every people get educated, so that they don't do this nonsense while they are on a heritage site. Heritage is our pride, guys. We need to protect it at every cost. We are the person who need to protect it. Then who will protect our culture? So share these values, share this video to everyone who does this everywhere. I've seen this many places, not just here, many places which is not so well monitored. So if it is monitored, it is good. So it is not monitored here. There is no person inside. So people do. It's it doesn't need to be monitored. We need to be aware what we have to do, what we have to not do. It's in such a old structure, 400-year structure, and you are writing nonsense on the wall of a 400-year-old structure. You are destroying the history forever then. So please, I request you all not to do any nonsense of this kind, and share with your friends and family, everyone, was to educate about our rich culture we had from ages. Think how long they have written this, and it has been transferred to us from ages. It's not just 1 year or 2 years, it's around 1,000 years down the lane, and they got these artifacts, and 400 years old structure this is. And I'm very sad. I'm with a very sad heart. I'm leaving this place. So do this for me, guys. You need to share these videos.